everybody, today I'm making an origami crown. And before I start, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to receive all of our notifications. So first you grab a piece of paper. You can choose what color, whatever you like. I'm just doing yellow because crown. And then first you put it on your table. You fold it into like a square top to bottom. And remember, if you can't catch up, you can just pause the video. And then after it's like this, you get it, and then you fold it into a square like this. It's a bit like a guideline, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Sometimes I just do that because I'm already good at it. So you get that one side, you fold it onto the line, and then you do the same with the other. And you see now it's even. You find the part that is like sealed over here, but this part it is, yeah. And then you get it inside. You just fold it a little so it's a bit easier. You could also use your nail. And then you fold it like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you do the same with the other. And then, you know these two sides that are like still hanging up? You get these two, and then you fold it into like a upside down triangle. And then you fold it up like two houses. Another house connects them into one, sorry. And then you flip it over. It should be looking like this with three lines. You get one end, you fold it into the middle. And then you do the same with the other. You should fold it into the line so it'll be even like this. And then after you get these two sides like the other, but this time they really end. You fold it into like something like that, like a speaking miracle or something. And then you fold it up. It looks like a crown now, but it still needs one more touch. You know, there's like a little open here. You have to use your thumb to push it down like up here. And now you're done. Keep for listening to this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button again if you didn't. And bye.